So hello student, how are you? I hope all of you are well. So in this sessions I will try to solve your exercise 8.2, that is from NCERT books, which is chapters 8, comparing quantities. Okay, so before we begin, I will always request you to subscribe our channel so that we can increase our family member. And at that situation is a very vulnerable situation, so students are not able to get facilities, private tuition, etc. So if you share this video to your friends, they will also get these facilities. So let's start. So it is 8.2. What was telling there? First problems. Okay, so first problems told us that a man got 10% increase in his salary. Whatever may be the salary, we don't know, but his salary increased by 10%. Okay, so if his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. Okay, so what was the information given to you? Yeah, right, given increased salary increased percentage is equals to 10%. 10% increased, and his new salary is 1,54,000. New salary is how much? 1,54,000. So it is 1,54,000, but we don't know the actual salary, so we have to find his original or actual salary. So let's we choose, let his actual salary be X. Suppose it is his actual salary or original salary, it may be original salary also, original salary. Okay, so if X his original salary and 10% is increased, then he will get 1,54,000. So we have to establish this in equation format. So I will write it X plus 10% of X. 10% means what? 10% means 10 upon 100. So 10% of what? 10% of his original salary. Original salary is what? X. So X, if the X is original salary and 10% of X is X into 10 upon 100. Hope you understand these things. So if it is his increased part, only it is in increased part. This section is only in increased part, that means what salary have been increased, and it is his actual salary. So if I add this increased salary with his actual salary, then I will get the total increased salary, which is 1,54,000. So it should be equals to 1,54,000. Okay, fine. So from here we have to find the value of X. So see, X plus, if I cancel out single zero, I will get X upon 10, which is almost equals to 1,54,000. Okay. Okay, so if I make LCM here, I will get 10x plus x upon 10 is equals to 1,54,000. Okay, so it is equals to 11x upon 10 is equals to 1,54,000. So from here, if I find the value of X, I will get X is equals to 1,54,000 into, here was 11 upon 10, so it should be 10 by 11, because reciprocal of this number will be multiplied with it. Okay, because here 11 upon 10 was the multiplied form with X. So if I shift this 11 upon X on the right side, then it should be reciprocal, because we have to divide it, but division in reciprocal numbers is not possible thoroughly. So we have to multiply it with its reciprocal number. So here I reciprocal it, that means I shifted the numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. Okay, fine. So see, if I cancel out here, 11 ones are 11, we'll get how much? 4. If I subtract this 4 and 4, 44, that means 4 11s are 44, and here it is 30. So cancel out these entire things. So you'll get 10 into this thing. So it will gives you how much? It will gives you yes 30 or 140, yes. So it is 1,40,000. That means the value of X is equals to 1,40,000, means 1,40,000 was his actual salary, and after 10% increase he will get how much? 1,54,000. So I think it is very easy for you now, and hope you understood these things. Okay, so first of all take the note. Okay, fine, hope you have, all of you have took this note. All of you have to see, all the students of my Genius Print Educations, I expected mostly from you that all of you will get this full marks, because I will try to solve this entire chapters, and if any problems you are facing, you can comment in the below sections. Okay, so next problem is what? On Sunday, 845 people went to zoo. 845 people went to zoo. So Sunday, how many people went to zoo? 845 people went to zoo. Okay, yes. On Monday, it was 169 people. So on Monday, it was how much? 169. See, it was 845 and it is 116. That means people are reduced. So our question is what? Our question is, what is the percentage decrease in the peoples in the zoo in Monday? That means we have to find the decrease percentage. That means from Sunday to Monday, people are decreased. So what percent of peoples is decreased? We have to find these things. So here, first of all, we have to find how many peoples have been decreased. See here, right? Decreased people. Decreased people is equals to 845 minus 169, which will gives you 15 minus 9 becomes 6, carry 1, 6 becomes 7. Okay, 845 and it is 169. So 15 minus 9 becomes 6, carry 1 and 6 becomes 7. So 14 minus 7 becomes 7 and again 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 8 minus 2 becomes it is 6. So 676. So 676. It is the decreased people. That means these peoples have been decreased as compared to Sunday on Monday. So this should, I have to calculate the percentage of it now. Therefore the percentage, decreased percentage, see right here, the decreased percentage, DECR, decreased percentage is equals to how much? How many people decreased? See, it is 676 people decreased. Out of what? Out of 845. Here the maximum student doing these wrong things, they took 116, but it is wrong. You have to take as maximum, because from where the value is decreased. So it is 845, because 845 is the actual number from where the value is decreased. So you should take this 845 as the denominator, and how many people decreased? It is 676, and this should be the numerator. So multiply it with 100 as the rules of the percentage, then cancel out. So if I cut these numbers with 3, I will get 3. No, it is not possible to cut this number with 3. So then try to cut this number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 676 upon 845, 67600. It will gives you answer how much? It is quite tough, because if I multiply it 10, it should be 8450, but if I multiply with 7, 10, then 9, then 8, so 845, 5 8 is 40, 0 carry 4, 4 8 is 32 and 4 becomes 36, 6 carry 3, 8 it is 64 and 3 become 67. So 676, yes. So 86760. Again take this 0. So you will get how much? These zeros are zeros. Yes. So 80. So here see, 80% people have been decreased. So again I have to check it now, please. 676 then 00. If I multiply these numbers with 100, I will get what? I will get, okay, first of all write this step again here. 676 then multiplying 00 by 845. So now divide this 67600 with 845, you will get 67600 845 88. Yes, yes, it is correct. So 80%. So here answer is correct. 80% people have been decreased from Sunday to Monday. As a result, 845 people is reduced to 169 people. Hope all of you understand these things. Okay, take the note from here. Yes, I think you have taken this note. Okay, so question 3 was, a shopkeeper buys 80 article for rupees 2400. Yes, so cost of 80, see, cost of 8 article, cost of 8 articles is equals to how much? Yes, 2400, 2400, and sell them as a profit of 16%. So profit percent is equals to 16. Yes, find the selling price of one article. So you have to find the selling price. It is cost price. First of all, we have to calculate this selling price of it. See, if a particle, suppose you have taken, bought a particles with rupees 100, and here you want to sell it 10% by profiting, then you have to use, that means you have to calculate first of all 10% of 100. It should give you how much? It should give you 10. Yes, 10% of 100 is equals to 10. So if you want to take 10% profit, then you have to sell these articles in 110. So then you will get this 10% profit. So here the cost of articles, the cost of 8 articles is equals to 2400. Fine, and profit percentage is equals to 16. So first of all, find 16% of 2400 is equals to 16 upon 100 into 2400. So cancel out this 00, then you will get 16 to 24. So 24 into 16 will give you how much? 4 6 are 24, 4 carry 2, then 6 12, 6 into 2 becomes 12, and 2 becomes 14, then again multiply it 4 and 2, you will get 483. It is 384. That means 384 rupees he have gained, but his cost price is eto and gained eto. Then what would be his selling price? Yes, therefore his selling price is equals to 2400 plus 384, because he have gained. We know that after profiting, the selling price should be the greater than this cost price. So we are also going to launch this SPCP problems. So if you want to take this opportunity also, then check our I buttons and click here for seeing this profit and loss chapters. Okay, so here it is 4, yes, 8, 3 plus 4 becomes how much? 7, and 2 means, yes, then he have to sell this 2784. See, here the cost price was 2400, but selling price is 2784. Then he gained how much? He gained 16%. See, I can calculate these numbers in a very few steps, but this is, I think, for your standard. So if you want to take this in a shortly, then you can calculate this again. It's not necessary, but for some of the students who have the ability to take this. See, cost price means CP. CP is equals to how much? 2400. Profit percent is equals to 16%. Therefore selling price means SP is equals to 16%, means out of 16% means what? 16 rupees out of 100. See, 16% means 16 rupees out of 100. So here, if out of 100, if the cost price of a particles is 100, then selling price would be 116, then he will get 16% profit. Hope you understand these things. So here, if 100 is his cost price, then selling price will be 116. Then if 1 rupees is his cost price, then selling price will be 116 upon 100. So here by 116 by 100, if I multiply this number, then I will get directly answer. So SP is equals to 116 upon 100 into 2400. So this thing cancel these things, then you will get 116 into 24. Calculate these things, 116 and then 24, you will get 4 6 are 24, 4 carry 2, 4 ones are 4 to become 6, 4 ones are 4 again, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 ones are 2 and 1 3, 2 ones are 2. So you will get 4 8 7 2, 2 7 8 4. See, both the answer become same. So you can take this method also for solving your problems. So hope you understand these things. Fine, take this note. If you want to take this opportunity, please write on the below section that sir, we also want to take this Olympiad course facility. Then different exam like JMO, IMO, etc. we are going to launch, and in different state level, you know, Olympiad exam also we are going to conduct. So if all of you want to take this opportunity, please write on the video section, sir, we are also want to take these things. Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next question, which is question number 4. I think this notes will sufficient for you, because NCERT books is the fundamental books. First of all, whatever books you are trying to solve, do this NCERT books, because it is the basic structure have been given there. And after these solvings, if you want to you know, solve R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma, etc. book also, then I will also try to recover this cover these books also. Then you have to, first things that you have to share this video, then I will try to solve it. Okay. So right, next question. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Okay, cost of an article, that means CP. CP means cost price. Was how much? 15,500. Fine. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. Okay, repair cost. Repairing cost. Repairing cost is how much? It is 450. Yes. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, then what should be the selling price of it? Then profit percent. Profit percent is equals to how much? Profit percent is equals to 15%. Yes, 15%. See, these informations are given to me, and then finally asked me to find, you know, the selling price of these articles. Suppose what may be the, you know, articles is not an important reason, but here they want to know the selling price of the article whose cost price is 15,500. Okay. Repairing cost means, suppose the article whatever he purchased is not, you know, in under okay condition, so he have to repair it by rupees 450. See, here this repairing cost and the cost price of the article should be added, because these are total expenditure of it, and then he will calculate the percentage. After that he will gain this you know, selling this articles he will gain. So first of all we have to find his total cost. So right here total cost, yes, or total CP, total cost price or total CP is equals to 15,500 plus it was 450. So if you add these things you will get 0, 5, 9, 5 and 1. It is 15,950 is his total cost price. Okay. So if it is total cost price and he want to profit 15%, then what would be his cost price? See, this kind of these types of problems I already solved in the, you know, previous problems. So here this procedure I can also apply. So here write CP, total CP. Total CP is how much? Total CP or total cost price is equals to 15,950. Fine. Profit percent, yes, it is 10. So therefore, right, therefore his SP, SP means selling price, should be 15,950 into, see, it is 15% profit, then I have to use what? 115 by 100, because if I calculate these things 115 upon 100, then directly I will get this answer. Okay, fine. So cancel out this single 0 and then try to cut these numbers with 5. You get 5 2s are 10, then 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and here it is 2. You have to multiply this 1595 with 23, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 carry 1, 3 9s are 27 and 1 28, 8 carry 2, 3 5s are 15 again, 16 17 carry 1, 3 1s are 3 or 1 4. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19 carry 1 again, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So it is 5 8, 7 plus 9 becomes 16 carry 1, 1 2 and 4 becomes 6 and 3. So it is 36685. That means if I multiply these two numbers, I will get these things upon 2. So if I divide it again, 36685, you will get how much? 2 1s are 2, 1 here it is 6, 8 2s are 16, then it is 6, 2 3s are 6, again 8, 2 4s are 8, again 5, so 2 2s are 4, and subtract these numbers, you will get 1. So 0.025 are 10. So it should be his selling price. That means selling price is equals to how much? Selling price is equals to 1834.2 rupees. So it is rupees. So 183, that means 18,342, and cost price was 15,950. So from this 15,950, he has to sell this articles 18,342.5. Then he will get how much? He will get 15% profit. So hope you also understood these things. Okay, so now it is question number 5. What was the question? A VCR and TB were bought for rupees 8,000 each. Okay, so cost of VCR is equals to rupees, how much? It is 8,000. Okay, again cost of, it is VCR, cost of TB is also rupees 8,000. Fine. So on single items, yes, the shopkeepers made a loss on 4% on the VCR. That means on the VCR he make 4% loss. Okay, and profit of 8% on the TB. Yes, and TB, that means on the TB 8% profit. Okay, so find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. That means after whole transaction, after selling these two items, what may be his profit or loss. Okay, so first of all, cost of VCR is rupees ato, so therefore SP, that means selling price of VCR is equals to, see, 4% loss. That means if, see here, if cost that means CP, if CP is 100, then SP will be 96. Yes, because they already told you that 4% loss. After giving this 4% loss, so what would be his loss? That means if the cost of an article is rupees 100 and he gave this 4% loss, then he have to sell it on rupees 96. Then 96 minus 100 become 4. So out of 4, that means out of 100 it is 4, that means 4% loss. So we have to do what? See here, selling price, you have to calculate the selling price. Okay, so if CP is 100, then SP is, CP is 100, then SP is 96. If CP is 1, then SP should be 96 upon 100. Okay, if CP is 100, then SP is 96. If CP is 1, then SP is 96 upon 100. Then If CP is rupees 8,000, then what would be this SP? So SP should be 8,000 into 96 upon 100. Then he will get the actual selling price of this seat. So cancel out this 0, again you will get 80 into 96. So it will 96 into 8, yes, 7680. 7680. See, CP was 8,000 and SP is 7680. So from this answer we got the, we can say that he has already lost 4% on it. Okay. So here cost of TB is 8,000. So therefore SP, that means selling price of TB. See, in both these cases we have to find the selling price, because total how much amount he sold we have to calculate it. So selling price is equals to how much? See, here it is 8% profit. In that case 8% profit. That means if CP is 100, then SP is what? 108. Then 8% profit. So if CP is 1, then it should be 108 upon 100. So we have to multiply this. Okay, so SP is equals to 8,000 into 108 upon 100. So cancel out this 0, again you will get how much? 80 into 108. So is equals to 108 into 8. It should give you answer 8 8 is 64, 4 k 6, 8 1 is 8 and 6 becomes 14. So 1 4 6 4, then another 0. That means I think it is 180 into 8 into 8, 80 into 180. Yes, it should 8 here. So 8640. 8640. See, it is his SP, that means selling price. So by selling this TB on 8,640, he will get 8% profit. Okay, so now we have to calculate the total selling price. Total SP or total selling price is equals to how much? Total selling price is equals to selling price of these things and selling price of these things. That means 7680 plus 8640. So add these things, 0, 2, carry 1 and 6 becomes 7, 6 6 12 or 1, 6 6 12 plus 1 13, 3, carry 1 and 7 8, 8 is 16. So 16,320 is his total SP. Now his total, what was his total cost price? So calculate total cost price. Total cost price is equals to 8,000 plus 8,000. See, I will make you understand why I am adding these things also, because he have to calculate the overall profit or loss percent. See, here 16,000 was his total cost price and 16,320 his total selling price. Now tell me whether he gained or lost. So from this data I can say that he gained. Therefore profit is equals to how much? 16,320 minus 16,000. So it will gives you how much? 320. So rupees 320 is his gain. So now we have to calculate the percentage of it. So here profit percent is equals to 320 upon what? Total cost price. What is total cost price? Profit percent. Yes, total cost price is 16,000 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, this also cancel. So 32 into 16 to the 32. Yes, it is 2%. That means overall 2% profit he got. So hope you understand these problems also. So for this sessions it is up to now. I will continue this section for the next class also. So try to continue these things and don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, bye bye.